In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create folders to share with your team in Canva. This process is straightforward and can significantly enhance your team's collaboration by organizing and sharing design assets efficiently. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Canva account and make your way to the home page. There, on the left-hand side, you'll notice several options. Among these options, look for the one labeled Projects and go ahead and click on it. The Projects section is your central hub where you're able to manage all your designs and folders in one organized space. Once you're in the Projects section, your next move is to click on the Add New button. This button is versatile. It allows you to create new designs, upload content, or, as we're doing today, set up a new folder. Organizing your projects into folders is incredibly beneficial, especially if you're juggling multiple or extensive projects with your team. After clicking Add New, you'll be presented with several options. For today's task, you'll want to select Folder. Creating folders will enable you to group related designs together, making it much simpler for your team members to locate and collaborate on specific projects. Think of it as creating a dedicated workspace for various tasks. Now, you'll need to give your folder a name. Choose a name that is intuitive and closely related to the projects or themes covered by the designs within. This will ensure that when you and your team are accessing it, everyone immediately understands what content they'll find inside. Once you've decided on a suitable name, click Continue to move forward. Next, open up the folder you just created. It's time to populate it with some of your existing designs to get things rolling. Inside the folder, click on the Add Designs option. This feature lets you bring in all the necessary content your team will need to work on. Once you've clicked Add Designs, you'll be taken to a list of your projects. Navigate through this list, browsing your designs, and select the ones you'd like to relocate into the newly created folder. Feel free to choose as many as required. This method ensures that everyone with access to the folder can easily find your curated content without having to sift through individual files. After you've selected your designs, hit Move. This action will transfer the chosen designs into your newly formed folder, making them readily accessible and organized for your team. With the folder now all set up and filled, it's time to share it with your team. Click on the Share button within the folder. You'll be prompted to enter your team members' email addresses. It's important to use the correct email addresses to guarantee everyone gains access without delay. Once you've inputted the necessary emails, simply click Share Folder, and there you have it. Your team now has access to the folder and all its contents. By following these steps, you've effectively set up a shared folder in Canva, boosting your team's ability to collaborate and innovate together. Thank you for watching, and enjoy creating and sharing your designs.